You want to say the story? I say it.
No, you say it. Better you say it.
We got married a couple of years ago, and for Maher, she asked to have Hajj. That was 2019.
It is unbelievable, unbelievable because I'm here, but I still don't believe I'm making Hajj. Understand?
You know, like the Swiss watch coordination. I mean, like imagine you are sitting along the street telling people do this, don't do that, and you are doing that all days in the sun. I pray Allah, I'm sure Allah will compensate them so much because it's hard, it's tough. Like all these guys standing here, and imagine just a little bit when you have millions coming to the same spot and everything going smooth. This is something incredible.
Now, Habibi, you gave me your mahar.
I know. All
Alhamdulillah.
right, my gift has gone.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Awesome.